Hello, today we're going to learn how to bake a traditional Spanish dessert called Tocino del Cielo. Let's briefly discuss the history behind the dessert. It all started with nuns in the year 1324 who used dominated eggs to make a delicious flan like dessert. In the year 1527, the conquistadors arrived in Peru, bringing with them, among other traditions, the Tocino del Cielo dessert, to be later adopted by the colonies. Arequipa, where I was born, was one of the cities in the Spanish colonies to adopt the dessert and modify it, adding shredded coconut for a crunchy finish. Now that we have an idea of where the recipe came from and its influence in Latin America, let's bake it. Quick note, the following is my grandma's recipe, which follows the Peruvian modified version of the dessert. For the mixture, we will need 2 eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, 3/4 of a can of evaporated milk, 1.5 cups of shredded unsweetened coconut. For the caramel, we will need 5 tablespoons of sugar sprinkled on the mold. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl, but spare the sugar for the next step. Sprinkle sugar inside the mold, and at low heat, melt the sugar, making sure to turn the mold often so as to not burn or smoke the sugar. After 2 minutes, all of the sugar should be liquid and have a nice brown hue. Pour the mixture into the same mold where the sugar was melted. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a water bath while you preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Boil zero point 0.5 to 0.75 liters of water and pour into an aluminum tray. Place the mold in the tray with boiling water. You'll hear the caramel crackle. Then put into the oven for about an hour or so until golden brown. To unmold, remove from the oven and let it cool for 30 minutes. Use a spatula to unstick the edges from the mold. Bring back to low heat and while turning the mold, warm it up for 2 minutes. Flip it over and enjoy. In summary, please see the ingredients here. You may pause the video to write down the preparation step by step. As an alternative, the following video shows the process in rapid motion. Recall that in a recipe we add 2 eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and the added shredded coconut, that is the Peruvian twist. Cooking time is around 60 minutes. Thank you and buen provecho.